welcome to Reviewsinside TV, your go-to spot for honest and detailed product reviews. Today, we're taking a close look at the HYCHIKA Mattress Vacuum Cleaner, a tool that promises to tackle the messiest spots in your home, from pet hair on the sofa to dust on the mattress. Let's see if it lives up to its claims. This vacuum is designed for those who need deep cleaning power, especially in the bedroom and living spaces. With a powerful 16 kPa suction, it combines a strong motor and a high-frequency 36,000 CPM tapping action. What does that mean for you? Essentially, it's built to reach deep into fabrics, whether it's a mattress, couch, or quilt, and lift out fine dust, debris, and even embedded particles. This vacuum claims to tackle dust, allergens, and even those stubborn pet hairs with ease. The vacuum also features a 140-degree Fahrenheit heated function, which is a standout feature. This temperature is meant to penetrate deep into your fabrics, reducing odors and eliminating harmful substances like dust mites and bacteria. If you're someone who suffers from allergies or just wants a deeper clean, this could be a huge advantage. Imagine the combination of heat and strong suction working together to sanitize and refresh your bedding. One thing that really caught my eye is the advanced 5-level filtration system. Unlike many standard mattress vacuums, which use a single dust cup, this one has a dual cup structure, which helps it perform more effectively. Its HEPA filter is capable of trapping 99.97% of particles as tiny as 0.3 microns. This is great for allergy sufferers or anyone looking for a more thorough cleaning experience, as it ensures that fine dust, skin flakes, and other allergens are effectively captured and not released back into the air. Speaking of cleaning, the vacuum's dust collection system features a 0.5 dual cup that's detachable and washable. No need to worry about maintenance here, as it's easy to clean and keep in top shape. For those who are picky about their equipment, the design is thoughtfully done to ensure that everything is easy to maintain. It's one of those features that makes everyday use feel less like a chore. When it comes to convenience, the 13-foot-long cord is a key player. While cordless vacuums may offer more flexibility in some cases, this vacuum's cord length ensures that you don't run out of battery power halfway through cleaning, especially with the powerful suction. You won't find yourself frustrated with constant recharging, a common issue with cordless vacuums. In terms of safety, the HYCHIKA Mattress Vacuum Cleaner is built with overheating protection, which is a great addition, especially for those who plan to use it for longer cleaning sessions. This added feature gives you peace of mind, knowing that your vacuum will not overheat under pressure. Now let's talk about real-world usage. I found that the vacuum is surprisingly easy to assemble and set up. Once you plug it in and turn it on, the suction power is instantly noticeable, and the 36,000 CPM tapping action really does seem to get deep into fabrics. Cleaning a mattress full of dust was a breeze, and the heated function adds a nice touch, especially for sanitizing pet bedding or your kid's crib. The attachments are straightforward but effective. The main nozzle does a great job at picking up larger debris, while the smaller ones, ideal for corners or upholstery, are perfect for cleaning the car interior or tackling tight spaces. The machine is relatively lightweight, which makes it easy to maneuver around furniture or between different areas of your mattress. On the downside, while the cord is long, it's still something you have to work with. Tangling can happen when you're moving from one side of the bed to the other. Also, while the vacuum excels at picking up fine dust and allergens, if you're cleaning larger debris or something heavy, you might need to go over the area twice to ensure everything's picked up. When it comes to value for money, this vacuum positions itself as a mid-tier option in the market. For its price, the 16 kPa suction, advanced filtration system, and heated function give it an edge in terms of deep cleaning. It's perfect for those dealing with allergies or households with pets, as it tackles pet hair, dust mites, and debris like a champ. That being said, there are a few alternatives at similar price points, like the Black & Decker corded mattress vacuum, which offers comparable suction power but lacks the heated function. If you compare it to other mattress vacuums, like the Dyson bed cleaner or some robot vacuums designed for upholstery, this model falls a bit short in terms of long-term convenience. It's corded, so you're sacrificing the mobility and charging ease that a cordless model might offer. But what you gain is continuous power for thorough cleaning. In terms of build quality, the HYCHIKA vacuum feels solid. The materials are sturdy, and the connections between parts are secure. After several uses, I haven't noticed any signs of wear or fragility. Maintenance is straightforward. Cleaning the filters and emptying the dust cups isn't a hassle. This vacuum should be reliable for regular use, especially considering it comes with a washable filter. Customer service is something you might want to keep in mind if you run into any issues. While I haven't had to deal with their support directly, it's always useful to check out a brand's reputation before making a purchase. From what I've seen, HYCHIKA offers reasonable customer support with clear instructions and helpful service for any inquiries. To sum it up, this vacuum is best suited for those looking for a deep cleaning solution for their mattresses, sofas, and pet bedding. Its strong suction, 140-degree Fair heating function, and HEPA filter make it a solid choice for allergy sufferers or pet owners. It's a reliable and effective option if you're tired of dealing with allergens, dust, and pet hair in your home. If you're still on the fence about this vacuum, feel free to drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review from Reviewsinsidetv. Thanks for watching, and goodbye till next time. Keep your spaces clean and your vacuums even cleaner.